Hi friends, this is Bijita once again. Today in this video I will show you another topic, that is how to create a project associated with a WBS element. Means in a single transaction you can create a project wherein a WBS element will be associated with. So how to do the same, and before commencing this session, let me tell you a brief about this project and WBS element. Means it is a part of the project system, which is a different module, obviously related with finance in SAP. So in that project system module, there is a common term known as the project and WBS element. So let me tell you, WBS element is nothing but a cost object, like cost center, profit center, internal order. Okay, so what does that means? Means say if I am creating or building any asset in my own organization which is being constructed phase by phase part, then that thing can be then the cost of that thing can be captured in a WBS element cost object. Okay, means those costs which all are being incurred phase by phase, part by part, for a single particular object can be captured in a cost object which is associated or which is designed to capture the cost of an object part by part, will be mapped by the WBS element in SAP. Okay, and that WBS element means, say I am constructing a building. There will be a different part of that section, like now it depends upon me how I want to segregate them part by part. It can be segregated like first floor, second floor, ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor, so on. Or it can be segregated like foundation, then brickwork, then the plastering, cementing and all, then fitting the window and the doors, and then the painting. So this segregation can be done. So all this segregation will be part by part segregation, and for each part WBS elements will be created under a single project. That means building is a project, and under the same all this work will be known as the WBS element. Now let me show you how to create a project, then it will be better for you to understand. So in order to create a project, I have to go to the transaction CJ01 as being displayed in the transaction bar above. Here I need to give the name of my project, so I am giving the name of my project. This is the name of my project. Now going inside, and here the project profile has been chosen, cost object. Now you can choose anything you want, or you even can define one project profile, that depends upon you. However, I have taken a project profile which has been offered by SAP standard. Now I am going inside. I am giving a name here, building construction. Now I am giving all my organizational details like controlling area, company code. Let me skip the business area. I have not mapped business area here. Now let me give the plant. I am giving the plant here. I am giving the profit center here as well. This is my created profit center. Now going to this section, this is the WBS element overview. Here I can map my WBS elements here. This is the project, this is the entire project under which the different WBS elements will be there as per the phase by phase work. So let me put some work here, like I have given one WBS element here I'm putting a description like foundation work. Now next is brickwork. Next is plastering. Next is windows and doors. Next is the painting. Now I'm just pressing enter. Now I am creating only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 WBS elements under a single project. So that I want to create. Now it's over. Now I have nothing to do more. I'm just clicking on the save button. Thus the WBS element would be saved. It is saying factory calendar differs from plant factory calendar. That is fine. I mean, if it is now that depends upon you whether you want to put the same factory calendar under your plant and WBS element. It's up to you. I mean, it's up to your business decision, and if you want to put the same, then you can. If you don't want to put the same, then also you can. That depends upon your business requirement. And also it is a warning message, so I'm ignoring the same. The project has been created. This is the project name. Now how to display the same project? It is the CJ03 transaction. This is the project that I just have created. Now entering into this is the project which I just have created, and all the created WBS elements are being displayed here. One thing that I have missed, that is the settlement rule. So as in my other cost objects, like in internal order, there is a settlement rule created. Here in WBS element as well, I need to create a settlement rule. So I'm going to the change section. CJ02 is the change project. I'm going inside. I'm giving the settlement rule here. Edit project version, go to, there must be a settlement rule section. Extra. Here is the settlement rule. See, here is the settlement rule button given. Now I'm just clicking on the settlement rule. Okay, it is asking me to select a line. I'm selecting all of them because all of my WBS elements needs to be settled. Clicking on the settlement rule. Now I have to give the settlement rule here. I'm choosing the cost center here because I want these WBS elements settled to a particular cost center. I am selecting this cost center here. So all of these WBS element will be settled to a cost center as defined here, and it will be settled at the full amount. So I am giving 100% here. Now just pressing enter, coming back and clicked on the save button. So WBS element has been created with its settlement rule. Now going to display the WBS element again, the project again. Here these WBS elements are present, so I am selecting them all and clicking on the settlement rule. It will be shown. The cost center has been created, the cost center has been designed as the settlement rule. It has been given here. So all of the WBS elements once will be capturing the cost, will be settling to the cost center that I just have specified. So the mechanism of the WBS element is just same, similar to the internal order, as internal order also has the cost, has the settlement rule associated with it, because once internal order will be settled, it will be settled to a particular cost object which has been defined as a settlement rule, and same applies for the WBS elements as well. The difference between the WBS element and the internal order is internal order captures all the costs, and whereas WBS elements are designed to capture the cost for those objects which all are being constructed phase by phase. Okay, that the example which I just have given earlier. So for those kind of projects, for those kind of cost objects, WBS elements are being created. This is the mechanism offered by SAP. So that's the concept, that's the mechanism, that's the funda. So I hope this much is clear to you. If it is not, then please put your comments in the comment section. I will surely try to answer all of your queries. And if you have liked the video, then please like and subscribe the channel. I'll surely come up with a new video within a few days. So till then, keep watching the channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.